Well, this just happened. I am in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Oh. Welcome to Ride to Hike. Cody here on a beautiful morning here in Guachochi, Mexico. Rode in yesterday afternoon in that horrible rainstorm. Waited it out at AutoZone for a while. Just everything basically I own is completely soaked. Actually, my hotel room here, I'm getting ready to leave. My gear is all completely soaked, and I'm really not looking forward to putting that back on. I'm heading towards Durango today. I have it on the map here, my phone I should say. If you can see that, I should probably get a legit map, but 8-hour ride today, and I don't know how I feel about that. That's the longest ride I've done for a while, but there's not really a lot that I was really wanting to see between here and Durango. Get back in my wet clothes and start heading to Durango, Mexico. Taking a little break here. Been riding for a while. It was really fun to ride up through the pine trees and then basically descended now down into down an elevation into this beautiful desert terrain. Just a gorgeous mountain range through here. A lot of farming and cattle and really beautiful backdrops. Just a perfect day. So gonna stop in the town of Parral to get some gas, maybe a cup of coffee or something. And on my way to the city of Durango, like I said, it'll be fun to cross over. I've been in the state of Chihuahua this whole time, which has been awesome. So it'll be fun though to get into the state of Durango. Gracias a ustedes. Bueno, ver ahora. Well, this just happened. My waterproof gear somehow got stuck in the chain and it's a mess. I am in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Oh, running on the road here, I think I see my climb jacket back here. Looks like it fell off. Hopefully it's not totally destroyed. Well, I found my jacket in the middle of the road. Seems okay, thank goodness. And I was gonna be bummed about that. I was losing my jacket too. Sorry, I was running. My waterproof little pants, I had them drying on the back of my bike from this morning, and somehow they came loose and got stuck in the chain. All of a sudden my bike just scared me. Whew. So quite a mess. have to clean up, see if I can get this all out of my chain here. Well, that was interesting to run into these animals out in the middle of absolute nowhere. About 3 hours to the city of Durango. So, been on the bike all day. I got a full tank of gas back there, so let's keep it going here. Sí, uno. Miel. Oh, mucho miel. El miel de aquí también. Esta área. Zacatecas. Oh, gracias. I just stopped and got some gas. I feel like that's all I've been doing all day. Said another 2 hours to Durango. It is so hot. I'm gonna ride again for a while, and I'll probably take a break and get some water. I still have some, but the guy said 2 hours, but 3 hours on a bike, which I don't know why he said that. Because I'm cruising pretty well on this thing. Maybe for like some of the scooters, I don't know. Made it to Durango. Awesome to be here. Made it to my Airbnb here. Pretty sweet little spot. I'm gonna be here for a couple days, so I'm excited to kind of settle into a place for the first time in a while. Play tourist and ride around Durango area for a couple days, so I don't have to carry everything with me. But it has been a sweet day. It took like, man, 8-9 hours. About 9 hours on the bike today, I'd say total, to get here. It was quite a ride. I didn't eat much, so I'm ready to go out and let's go get some street food or something. I was looking up some places. Looks like there's a bunch of places right down the street. So I am so thankful to be here and to have made it. And let's go get some food. All right, this place looked really good, but I am starving. It has been an awesome day. Just had a great dinner after a full day of riding. Scary little thing on the bike today. Luckily I was able to get it going again after the bike just seized up on me. Glad to be in Durango. It's been an awesome day. Got some churros. But appreciate everybody following along, and leave me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.